And this is the end of the road, as I said to you. You can see it. They've stopped from here because the government did not pay enough money. And the Portuguese have packed up the things, you can see. They've gone back to Portugal. And all the road was being built by the Brazilians. They've also stopped. You can see. You can see. You can see. This is the route. You can see. You can see. Can you imagine? So the man in charge was given the fund, took some of the money and paid off, and that's it. He won't be arrested. Maybe it's related to the president or any minister, and that's it. It's no problem. He won't be arrested. That's it. Can you imagine this? And the province where there's a lot of oil, and that same oil is making our country known to the world. We are a rich country. But where the oil is, these are the roots. These are the roots. Where the oil is coming from, some of them are even not even in the government. But the KONGOs, they don't give them positions. Because they belong to these provinces. If you give back the minister, they'll be complaining. So they don't want them to get a position. This is the route you can see now. You can see. It's sad, but that's the way it is. You've seen that. The trucks coming through here. You see the road where the truck was coming from, all the way down there. They've given up working. They've given up. There's no more money. And the minister is there. He has not been arrested. He's there. He's not been arrested. Arrested and seize everything the man has built and get the whole family. I don't know, man. Some of them shoot them and finish them and clear the family. To understand that you took what belongs to the people, the road for the country. You can see. You can see. better than Scotland. Look at the country. Look at the country. See that? Okay, see? This is the way the route is. Imagine if this route was built. People can come on holidays for work, go to those bushes, relax, and enjoy the holidays. Can you imagine how much money will be coming to this province by the Congo? They are not doing it because they are from the Congo tribe. If they build this province, they will become arrogant. So you have to punish them. So to make them suffer, you don't be where they come from. You've seen that? How rough they are, those driving trucks. Bags are gone. Vieron un caminio ahí paró, and that's it. They could not continue. You can see they could not continue because the minister was in charge, has used the money to buy his wife a house or for something else, and the government could not arrest the guy because maybe he's related to the president or his friends or related to his wife or his cousin, anything. That's how the government working off. I just want you to see all the way up. This is the way it is till the border. See you soon. Sorry. You can see. You can see the jungle. People come for traveling, sightseeing, all kinds of things. Hunting, the beautiful thing. There you go. I'm going to my magazine now. We'll get a body. Farming in those bushes, bananas, mangoes, everything in the bush for free.